Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this we're going to compare the AMD benchmark test comparison between the Mi Linux device versus Realme X and Max device. And this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from the Realme X and Max, which is Realme UI 3.0 update. And let's see friends which phone will be scoring what kind of results. And at this moment I'll try to use the high performance mode as well in the Realme X and Max. And there is also high performance mode in the Mi Linux device. So these are different ROM which I'm trying to use in this phone. So that's the reason why you're seeing this kind of performance mode option enabled, as you can see clearly. So normally in the Indian ROM, still this kind of update did not get updated. So in the different ROM, in the Chinese ROM, it got added with the performance mode, as you can clearly see friends. Let's see what will be the AMD benchmark test using with the performance mode in both phones. Right now it's got enabled, as you can clearly see here. So now we're going to see friends how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones regarding the AMD benchmark wise, and which phone will increase what kind of temperatures. All these details I will try to cover in this entire video. So first let's check the temperatures of 27 and 30 degrees, not bad. And both phones are exactly same battery level, which is 43%, as you can see friends. 43, same battery percentage, not bad. It's kind of really coincidence. So let me try to start the AMD benchmark test without wasting any time. So right now, as you can see friends, the AMD benchmark test has been successfully started between these both phones. Now we'll be able to observe the few things like temperatures, how much it can actually increase, and how much battery percentage also will decrease. Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. And after the Realme UI 3.0, the Realme X and Max, the benchmark scores has been boosted a lot. So make sure to focus on the CPU and the GPU scores. Only concentrate on those scores, only CPU and the GPU. Even the overall score also matters. But let's see what will be the benchmark test at this moment. So before the Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme X and Max, this Realme X and Max scores used to be always less than the Mi Linux device. But after the update, it got completely reversed. So I'll try to explain to you friends why as well later on in the video. You'll be able to understand exactly after looking at the scores. 30 degrees and 32.6 degrees Celsius. You can see the temperatures, how it's increasing little by little between these both phones. So I'm going to be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, AMD benchmark test is about to finish and comes close to the end of the test results as well. Right now it's 34.6, 34.4 degrees Celsius, around that kind of 24 degrees Celsius, not bad. And Mi Linux device is maintaining about close to 33 and 34 degrees. So we are reaching the final test, and which scored about 34.6, not bad. So temperature is slightly low in the Mi Linux device in the Snapdragon 870 chipset, little bit low. Finally friends, even the Mi Linux device scored about 7,03,000 in the Mi Linux device, and the Realme X and Max scored about 6,99,000 with the high performance mode, as you can clearly see friends. In the Realme X and Max, I did get close to 7,06,000, 7,05,000 as well, 4,000 previously, and this is kind of close to 7 lakhs. But Mi Linux, you can see clearly 7,03,947. That's the score in the Mi Linux device after using the performance mode, which I did enable, as you can clearly see friends. So there's a huge difference, I can definitely say, between this both regarding the CPU. CPU, there is a huge 182 versus 198. And GPU, Realme X and Max has got highest GPU, 245, than the Mi Linux device, as you can clearly see friends. And battery drained by 10%, the battery. Only 5% because of the Realme UI 3.0, which is still in the beta version. So that's the reason why the battery is kind of draining a lot. So maybe with the stable version, the things might be slightly better. But here's the score friends, comparing both phones, Mi Linux device and the Realme X and Max, this output which we got. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off, until then, bye.